wasn't a big, sort of Midwest tornado like you guys see, Jeff, but it was a tornado nonetheless, and our system held up well. Yeah, I mean, we often we get involved with a lot of our clients in their negotiations with their insurance carriers when they're considering, putting up a hail mitigation system. We'll sit down with them as, as their partner, as a consultant, if you will, and sit down with, with their insurance broker if they're working directly with a carrier. Sometimes we'll sit down with both the business owner and the carrier and talk about, what their insurance premium looks like and how our system can, mitigate risk. Ultimately, the insurance carriers are trying to do the same, right? Like, we're all pricing risk in some way. So we've taken a more consultative approach with some of our clients. It wasn't a big, sort of Midwest tornado like you guys see, Jeff, but it was a tornado nonetheless, and our system held up well. And there's another dealership just around the corner that I think had 400 cars that were damaged, and we had 4 or 5 cars that were damaged, mostly from stuff that was flying, sideways, and the system held up well with the hail and the wind and everything. So our clients are able to save the capital that they're spending on insurance claims and keep their business, running when the guy down the street didn't have any cars to sell for a couple of weeks while he was trying to, get the cars repaired and back, front line on the lot. Our clients were able to keep plugging and chugging, and the business interruption piece, was a significant savings for them as well.